Hey, it's Joseph here. Something that I haven't shared on this channel is the fact that I work for the Escape Game, which is a nationwide escape game company, and I happen to be architectural designer for them. We recently opened up a new store in Atlanta, Georgia, and I went down to Atlanta with a few of my colleagues. So I just wanted to kind of share what has happened that day. That's better. So we've opened up Atlanta. Have we opened it?
Yeah, we officially opened.
Yeah, we're officially opened. And this is what the store looks like. Looking back at the trip, I think it was quite interesting, and because I don't want to ruin your experience playing the game, I'm not sharing any interior shots of the games. However, I invite you to come and play some of the games that we have. As I mentioned, we have many stores throughout the nation, so you can go ahead and book a game via website. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you have liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel if you want to continue watching these type of contents. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.